Straight Talk not receiving texts. It's usually SMS or MMS issues related to your APN settings or network connectivity. SMS handles basic texts, while MMS sends pictures and videos using mobile data. Problems often stem from incorrect APN configurations, SIM card issues, software glitches after updates, or network congestion. As of September 2025, Straight Talk uses the TF Data APN for data, including MMS, but underlying carrier policies can also affect service. SIM card issues can also prevent receiving texts. Network congestion or coverage issues can disrupt text reception. Start with a device restart to resolve the issue. If issues persist, check the APN settings. To fix Straight Talk texting problems, first manually configure your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point Names. Next, ensure mobile data is enabled in your settings. This allows MMS messages to work properly. Update the Straight Talk app to the newest version, which includes an automated APN reset feature. If problems persist, consider a free SIM card replacement offered by Straight Talk. For additional help, contact Straight Talk customer service. By 2026, they plan to use eSIM support for seamless APN updates.